I'm Sarah Hashim-Waris in the Los Angeles Times newsroom. Thousands of people paid tribute today at the Hynes Convention Center in Boston for the anniversary of the city's tragic twin marathon bombings. Vice President Joe Biden joined survivors and elected leaders at the memorial. Biden closed the ceremony by remarking, "We respond, we endure, we overcome, and we own the finish line." 3 people were killed and 260 others were injured after 2 pressure cooker bombs tore through the crowd at the Boston Marathon's finish line last year. The bombings were the largest mass casualty attack on U.S. soil since 9/11. President Obama planned to observe the anniversary with a private moment of silence at the White House. The Times reports the marathon will be held this year on Monday and is expected to draw its second most crowded field ever after the marathon's centennial in 1996. For more, visit LAtimes.com and @LATimes on Twitter for the latest updates.